Good morning, everyone. I am Yasin Kim Pador, and I am one of your speakers for today. First, advocacy about the Integrity Rising Junior High stands against corruption. Integrity Rising is our goal to uphold honesty and fairness in everything we do. As junior high students, we stand firm of all, we stand firm against all forms of corruption, big or small. We believe the change begins through courage and responsibility. By choosing integrity, we build a future grounded in truth and justice. Together, we rise to be the generation that refuses to be silenced by corruption.
That infects the well-being of our government.
We are the dawn that breaks through the night of desert. Our hearts are torches lighting the path of truth. Each anisak is a ripple turning into waves of change. We are young eagles soaring above the storms of corruption. Together, we
It is the storm that destroys the foundation that affects the heart of our government.
integrity is our armor and justice is the banner we proudly raise. And second, campaign. This campaign inspires students to practice honesty and resist corruption in all forms. Through activities and discussions, we will spread awareness about the value of integrity. We aim to build a school culture that rewards truth and condemns dishonesty. Our voices will echo the message that corruption has no place among the youth.
For the foundation of justice.
Together we rise to make integrity the foundation of every action we take. That refuse to be dimmed by lies. Our voices roar like thunder, shaking the walls of corruption. That we take is a spark that lights a thousands more. We are the young warriors of truth. Young youth warriors rising to the ages of the sea. Together, integrity is our soul.